In Germany, the ladybug is called a Maikäfer. So Käfer means beetle, and Mai means May. So they come out that time of the year. In Germany, they're considered good luck symbols, and I thought how appropriate a good luck symbol for the class.
Before we dive in with the paint, we're gonna spend some time observing our reference image. The more you can see, the more you can paint.
It was very nicely laid out. The instructor was very, very generous with his supplies. I didn't know if I could afford the supplies that were on the suggested list, so I brought a number of my things from home. He very generously offered. I said, is this color close enough to the one that you're suggesting? He said, let me give you a little dab of this. You have a way in your teaching of bringing good luck to the person learning. I saw you giving advice to the lady who was sitting next to me. You gave her corrective advice, but guess what? What you told her made her painting as an outstanding success. And everyone had a wonderful result, each one a little different because everyone is a little different. We're very lucky to have Arizona Art Supply as both a source of quality materials that we can get and as a resource for learning how to use the materials, which means the workshops. And that makes a lot of difference to a whole lot of people. For more information, visit ArizonaArtSupply.com.